गुड आफ्टरनून बच्चों। हम 10th स्टैंडर्ड एक्सरसाइज 1.1 पे है और क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 वी हैव टू सॉल्व, दैट इज कीप that given that HCF 306657 equal 9. So find LCM of 306 and 657. Then what we have to do, we know that LCM, we know that LCM equal the number AB 306 into 657 by HCF. HCF, that is 9, given 9. So we get the LCM. If numbers are bigger, then you have to apply this method. So 306 into 657 by 9. We have to divide 9. 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. So we have to multiply 657 into 34. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. 6 4s are 24 plus 2, 26. 7 3s are 21. 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17. 17. 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19. So 8, 2 plus 1, 3. 6 6, 12 plus 1, 13. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 12. 2 1 1 2. 22,338. So the LCM is 22,328. In this way you have to find out the LCM. Thank you very much. Thank you to all of you.